Welcome your channel AVP Gyan Pharmacy. Subscribe my channel and like and bell icon. How to use, how to ingredients, how to direction and side effects. Brand name DERMATICA CLEAR CIRCLE. Ingredients DM water, carica papaya oil, sodium acrylate, sodium acrylaldemethyl tortecopolymer isohexadecane polysorbate 80, xylitylglucoside and hydroxytyl, xylitol, passiflora edulisol, oleic acid, hydrogenated retinol, etc. How to use dark circles, depuff, eye contour, fine lines, wrinkles. Before clean the face in water. Direction of use, external use only. Apply the cream morning to night time. Take a pea-sized of product and apply it around eye areas including lids, under eye and corner creases. Smooth it by gently tapping with finger pressure until thoroughly absorbed. And better results, avoid eye rubbing, no side effects. Consult by dermatology doctor and not for pharmacist. Thank you watching this video friends.